finally have an exhaust for my Suzuki. It's right there. Don't know if you guys can really see that. It's an SC project. And we're gonna install it today. There's Mauro, the man himself, going to help me. Repping the LG merch, of course. We just went for a ride, that's why I'm still wearing my suit. I'm too lazy to take it off, we're just gonna roll with it. But here is the exhaust. You gotta excuse me, I already opened it up. How are you gonna expect me to buy an exhaust and wait to open it up? You know, like, that's just crazy. So this is all that's in the box. You got a link pipe with mounting hardware. Of course, the muffler itself with a... Give you two options for stickers for on the exhaust, the small one and the big one. So we'll see which looks cleanest. It's a slip-on. I know some people will be like, oh, why a slip-on? Why not the full system? I want to keep it subtle. It's my daily bike. You know, my R125 was all overboard, way too loud. I want to keep it clean now. I have plenty of bikes in the shed that I can straight pipe. But for my daily bike, I want to keep it clean. So here we got the Manuale di Montaggio. Good thing I know Italian. All the Italians are cringing right now. And here it says, for your safety and security, SCA Project recommends having it assembled by qualified technical personnel. Are you qualified and technical?
I am very technical and qualified.
So Mauro, because he's so qualified, will show you what tools we need.
We need a 12 and an imbus 6.
Very qualified. Installing a slip-on like this is actually really straightforward. The muffler is only held in by one bolt and one clamp, clamping the link pipe to the rest of the exhaust system. We are starting with loosening up this clamp. After this has been done, you can loosen the bolt, which usually bolts the muffler directly to a bracket coming off the passenger footrests. After this has been done, you can gently wiggle off the muffler off the rest of the exhaust system.
3 minutes.
Should we start it like this?
Bloop, 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 bloop.
And we're finished with the exhaust install. All jokes aside though, it is now time to install my brand new SC Project exhaust. We start by installing the new link pipe into the muffler. This is just friction fitted in there. And once it is seated fully, you install the spring holding both of these parts together. To install the exhaust on the bike, we just reverse the steps we took to take off the original one. We first slid on the link pipe on the rest of the exhaust system, and then we just put a bolt through the exhaust bracket, bolting the exhaust to the exhaust hanger. Again, this system comes with all the hardware needed to mount your exhaust. After the bolt has been tightened down, it is now time to tighten down the clamp.
Remember guys, always the right torque. Luckily I have a torque meter in my hand.
Click. And just like that, it is time for the first start. Now keep in mind, this first start is with the DB killer still in place. And that sounds pretty awesome in my opinion. Only thing left is to put on the SC Project sticker and to go for a ride with my new exhaust. And now it's time for the moment everybody has been waiting for, a sound test with my decibel meter. All these clips of my SC project are without the DB killer. Without the DB killer installed, this exhaust might not be legal in your country, but with the DB killer installed, this exhaust is legal in Europe.
Klinkt wel sexy.
En wat was die luid?